Good morning, students. Today I will be teaching you Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1, lines 59 to 81. Now, in this part of the scene, we will see three new characters being introduced. Now, you will have here Bassanio, Bresciano, and Lorenzo. These three characters will be introduced to you, and the previous two characters, Celerino and Selenio, will leave the stage. So I'll begin. You can open to page number 24. Selenio. Here comes Bassanio, your most noble kinsman. Now, kinsman means friends. Bresciano and Lorenzo, fare ye well. Fare ye well, farewell to you, goodbye to you. We leave you now with better company. So now Selenio says to Antonio, here comes Bassanio, your most noble kinsman. Here now we see Bassanio coming, and he is your dearest friend, Bresciano and Lorenzo. And Bassanio is accompanied by Bresciano and Lorenzo. Fare ye well. Farewell to you, Antonio. Goodbye to you, Antonio. We. Now, we over here refers to Selenio and Celerino. So, he says we, that is I and Celerino, we now leave you, Antonio, with better company. We now leave you in the company of Bassanio, Bresciano and Lorenzo. Celerino. I would have stayed till I had made you merry. I would have stayed with you, Antonio, till I would have made you happy. If worthier friends, worthier is most respected, friends had not prevented me. Had not prevented me means had not come. If your dear friends Bassanio, Bresciano and Lorenzo had not come, then I would have stayed with you, Antonio, till I would have made you a happy man. Till I would have made you laugh, till I would have made you happy, I would have stayed with you. But now, as your dear friends Bassanio, Lorenzo and Bresciano have come, so I will also take your leave. Antonio. Your worth is very dear in my regard. Worth means value. Regard means opinion. I take it means I assume. Your own business calls you. Your own business is your personal work. And you embrace the occasion to depart. Embrace the occasion means opportunity. Now, Antonio says here to Celerino and Selenio that you both are also my valuable friends. You both also hold a high value in my opinion. I have a high value about you. I respect you both as I respect Bassanio, Lorenzo and Bresciano. I take it your own business calls on you. I believe that you have your personal work to accomplish, to complete. I think that you have some personal work to do, and you have taken the arrival of Bassanio, Bresciano and Lorenzo as an opportunity to leave and go and do your personal works. Just a revision for the lines. He says that you, Celerino and Selenio, owe a high value in my life. I do not love you less. I love you equally as I love Bassanio and Bresciano and Lorenzo. But right now I believe that you both have some work to do. So you are now taking the arrival of Bassanio, Bresciano and Lorenzo as an opportunity to leave me and go and complete the personal work of yours. Now, enter Bassanio, Lorenzo and Bresciano. So Lorenzo, Bresciano and Bassanio, they enter, and Celerino and Serenio will now be leaving the stage. Celerino: good morrow. Morrow means morning. My good lord. So he says, now Celerino says, good morning, Lorenzo, Bresciano and Bassanio. Bassanio: good Signius both. Good means good morning. Signius is lord or sir. Both of you, Celerino and Serenio. When shall we laugh? We laugh means when we will enjoy our time together. When will you have time for us? When we will enjoy our time with you. Say when. Give us the time. You grow exceeding strange. You grow exceeding strange. You are becoming stranger. We are not meeting quite often. So now we have become like strangers. Must it be so? So he says that, do you want us to be like strangers, as we are not meeting frequently, we are not enjoying, we are not spending time together. So Celerino and Selenio, you both have become like strangers to us. So do you want to be that, or will you give us some time? Will you spend some time with us? Celerino: we will make our leisures to attend on yours. So he says that we will see, we will give some convenient time to you, and then we all will be having a get together. We all will enjoy our time together. Exwin, Celerino and Selenio. Now Celerino and Selenio leave the stage, and now on the stage we will have Lorenzo, Bresciano, Antonio and Bassanio. Lorenzo: my lord Bassanio, since you have found Antonio, we too will leave you. So now he says, now Lorenzo says, now my lord Bassanio, as you have met Antonio, so you and Antonio can continue your conversation. I and Bresciano will leave you all. But at dinner time, I pray you. Pray means I request you. Have in mind where we must meet. So he says, now as Bassanio, you have found Antonio, I and Bresciano will take your leave. We will go, and remember that at dinner time we all have to meet. So you be there at dinner time. Bassanio: I will not fail you. I will not disappoint you. I will be there at dinner time. Bresciano: you look not well. Now Bresciano over here recognizes that Antonio is sad, and he says that Antonio, you are not well. You have too much respect upon the world. You have too much respect upon the world means you think too much about the worldly affairs. So he says that you, Bresciano, think too much about the worldly affairs. They lose it. They are the people. They refers to the people. Lose it that do buy it with much care. So now he says that Antonio, you think a lot about worldly matters. People who think too much about the worldly matters, too much about the world's affair, they lose their happiness. They are not happy. So now Bresciano believes that Antonio is sad because he thinks too much about the world's affair. And he says that the people who think too much about the world's matter, those people, they are never happy. They are always unhappy. They are always sad. Believe me, you are marvelously changed. So he says, believe me, your sadness has changed you a lot. You are looking a different Antonio. You are not the same Antonio, our friend. You look a changed person now. Your sadness has changed you so much. Antonio, I hold the world but as the world. So he says to Crescenio that Crescenio, I take world as it is. I do not think about the world affair at all. I accept the world as it is. I accept the world the way it is. A stage where every man must play a part. So he's now, how he accepts the world, he tells us. He says that for me, a world is a stage where every man is assigned their roles to play. And these roles are assigned to be played by God. So God has assigned every man in this world their roles to play. And mine a sad one. And right now my role is a sad man's role. So Antonio says here that I do not think about the world. I accept the world as it is. I accept the world as a stage. He says, for me, a world is a stage where every man is an actor and they are assigned their roles by God. And I have been assigned a role of a sad man. So this is all in this speech that he says up to 81. We'll proceed in the next video from line number 82. Thank you for watching.